Did you know a factory worker wrote one of the most powerful books ever created using just one simple idea? James Allen spent his days working in a factory, but every spare moment went to studying philosophy and writing. He discovered something that changed everything. You become what you think about most. Allen saw the mind like a garden. Most people let weeds grow wild, negative thoughts, doubt, fear, but he learned to tend his mental garden carefully. Pull out the weeds of negativity, plant seeds of possibility, water them with focused attention. He wrote that circumstances don't make the man, they reveal him. The same storm that destroys one tree makes another grow stronger roots. His book, As a Man Thinketh, became legendary because he proved a working man could transform his reality through disciplined thought. Every successful person today uses his principle. They guard their thoughts like precious seeds. Because Allen understood what most people miss. Your thoughts aren't just random noise in your head. They're the blueprint for your future. Change your thinking, change your life. The garden of your mind is waiting.